Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix Bluetooth problems on the Poco C85. No matter if you can't connect or you are, for example, currently connected and your device losing connection, or for example, you've got some hissing sound on your earbuds or headphones. So first of all, what I can always recommend you just to perform a simple restart. So go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth and simply make sure that you have disconnect your device if you are connected. Just click here, unpair this, turn off the Bluetooth, then turn it on back and do the same with your device. Just turn it off, turn it on back, enter for the pairing mode. Manually connect your device one more time and check if the problem still exists. If you cannot connect your device, for example, you can try to perform a reset of your device. So it actually depends on your device, but in my case, I will have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking red. It will take me for around 10 seconds. Next, if it is still not working, you can just go back from those settings and you can try to open the more connectivity options, scroll for the reset Wi-Fi and the mobile networks and simply perform the reset of all network settings. So it's gonna include also the Bluetooth. Check if it is working for you. You have to click here and then follow on-screen instructions. If it is still not working, you can try to reboot your phone by clicking and holding the volume up button and the power key, just like that, and simply reboot. If it is still not working for some reason, you can try to go for About Phone and update software on your Poco C85, or you can also try to connect your Bluetooth device into other device. So now you will be able to check if the problem is with the phone or with your earbuds. And the last way, if nothing is working, I will recommend you to perform the factory reset, but remember, this will erase everything from your phone. So you can try to perform the backup, for example. And that's all. Let me know if it works.